In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate folders in DaVinci Resolve. If you're organizing a project and want to quickly make a copy of a folder inside your media pool, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. Duplicating folders can be useful when you want to create a similar structure for another part of your project without having to rebuild everything from scratch. It can save time and help keep your workflow neat and consistent. To begin, go to your media pool. This is the area where your project's clips, bins and folders are stored and organized. Once you're there, look through your folders and select the one you want to duplicate. Make sure you click on the correct folder before moving on, because the copy command will apply to whatever you currently have selected. After selecting the folder, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. This copies the folder so DaVinci Resolve is ready to create another version of it. If you're working on a Mac, you would typically use Command and C instead. This step does not move the folder or change the original in any way, so your existing folder stays exactly where it is. Next, go to the location where you want the duplicated folder to appear. This could be in the same area of the media pool, or inside a different folder, depending on how you want to organize your project. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct destination, because the pasted copy will appear wherever you place it. Once you're in the right spot, paste the folder. You can do that with Ctrl and V or Command and V on a Mac. DaVinci Resolve will then create the duplicate folder in that location. This is a quick way to recreate folder structures without manually rebuilding them one by one. As a helpful tip, after pasting the folder, you may want to rename it right away so it's easier to tell the original and the duplicate apart. That can be especially useful in larger projects where you're managing lots of assets and folders. And that's all it takes to duplicate folders in DaVinci Resolve. It's a fast and practical trick that can make project organization much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.